So if you're watching this, you're probably new to crypto or just got into cryptocurrency and you want a more passive way of earning crypto. Well, stick to the end. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about staking your crypto. Hey, what's going on, guys? 1345 back here with another video. So in today's video, we're going to talk about what exactly is staking your crypto. We're going to talk about what it is, the pros to staking your crypto, and the cons to staking your crypto. So let's get into it. What exactly is staking your crypto? Well, the short answer is it's locking up your crypto or holdings in a crypto to get rewards or obtain more crypto. So what exactly does that mean? So today there are two major consistent mechanisms of cryptocurrency used to verify new transactions, create new tokens, and add them to the blockchain. The two are called proof of stake and proof of work. Now, proof of work was originally used by Bitcoin when it first came out to create new tokens and process transactions on the blockchain. But today we're going to be talking about proof of stake. So cryptocurrencies that allow staking use the proof of stake model, which is the way they ensure that all transactions are verified and secured without a bank or payment processor in the middle. So if I'm putting this as simply as I possibly can, pretty much you choose to lock away your tokens for an extended period of time. Maybe it's a month or even maybe a year. But by doing so, you become a part of the validation protocols for that crypto by helping verify transactions on the blockchain. By becoming a validator, you put your crypto on the line, and by doing so, you may be rewarded with even more crypto. So let's list off the pros and cons of staking your crypto now that we know what it is. So let's start with the pros. By staking your crypto, you can earn more crypto and other rewards depending on the crypto you stake, meaning that you can take the interest that you've earned off your crypto and reinvest it. Staking also helps the community of that crypto by keeping others from selling their crypto, causing the price of the crypto to plummet. It also helps with the security of the crypto, strengthening the blockchain. So let's list off some cons. Staking requires that 9 times out of 10 that you have to lock up your crypto for an extended amount of time, meaning if that crypto jumps in price, you will not be able to sell no matter how high or how low the price shifts. That also means during the time period your money is locked up, you won't be able to withdraw money no matter how much you're losing either. Also, through the validation process, if it's not predicted correctly, you do not earn any crypto or rewards. Your money just stays locked up in a stagnant position. But like I always say, this is just a beginner simplified version for those looking to get into crypto who don't really know that much about blockchain and all that stuff just yet. But if you guys want a more detailed video, I can do that as well. But just let me know down in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any other information you want to share with the community, let them know down in the comments below. See you guys in the next video. Peace.